Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good morning to all. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. This is Arafat Albi. Today I would like to talk about my home district. My home district name is Brahmanbaria. Brahmanbaria is a prominent district in the eastern part of Bangladesh, and our population is almost 3 million. Brahmanbaria has 9 upazila. Most famous thing is Brahmanbaria is music. The Ustad Alauddin Kha and Ustad Ayat Ali Kha was born in this village, and they contribute a lot of song in Indian subcontinent songs. But Brahmanbaria economy is depend on mainly agriculture. Also, and nowadays added some our uh, remittance and trade. Here a trade area is Ashuganj, and the Ashuganj fertilizer area, and also Ashuganj gas field, Ashuganj power plant, and Brahmanbaria is well connected for Kumilla and others area. Also, Akhaura added a port. This port is very important for our commercial purpose, India to Bangladesh.